Previously on Alan Quentin.
Ever since that day, I've been traveling my whole entire country. And what I saw in under 3 days was very exceptional. It's as if I was relearning my country for the first time. Today, I want to be your one probability and make you see things that have the power to change and shape your mind and dreams even higher than before. I've been to places that I would never picture myself going to in my life and in just a short period of time. And in the next series, I'm going to show you how I traveled my own country in only 6 days.
So, a lot of you have been asking me, how actually did I travel my country in only 6 days? But well, the answer is I don't know either. All I know is just it did happen actually. And I'm at a point of my life I'm doing something that I've really enjoyed and really liked to do for the longest of my life. And honestly, let me take you to the journey. And this is how exactly it started. Well, my work consists of going places, showing people and making videos out of them. And apparently these 2 last weeks, has been a huge experience for me because we've been to places, taking videos around, the country. And basically the country is only made by 5 provinces. And we started with the 3 main ones, the north, the west, and the south. So we started from Rwanda, a crazy hot place, but also a beautiful place. The place is not only made by the hot temperature, but also very many things to admire. And the beauty of the journey didn't lie into getting at the place exactly. The beauty of the journey lied into the road from getting there, like the trip from where we were to the place where we're heading to. They're filled with mountains that I'll never picture myself getting to see one day in my entire life. And I really understood for the first time that our country is really made by 1,000 hills, which I would have never pictured myself doing.
So trust me when I say this, because they really meant it. Rwanda is a country made of 1,000 hills, and they even started to believe that it's more than just 1,000 hills. And the only way you understand this is when you travel from one district to another. Most of the roads are not that great when it comes to villages and other small places in the country, but none of that matters when you see actually the amazing views and amazing sights all over the country. And after a good amount of work, we deserved some nice rest. And this was our first night hotel. So we just arrived at our rooms, very good looking place. This has been a very long travel. So let me show you around. So we have like water right there, a TV. We get access to this, to a hair dryer. I don't know if it works, but I mean, speaking of hair, I'm a good person to ask about hair. Then there is also, basic stuff of the hotel. But just what I just realized that the mirrors very small. I gotta do this every single time. It's pretty comfortable, man. I feel like it's very comfortable. And let's see how the days end. This was like day 1 of our travel. And yeah, let's end up the day in peace and let's head up to dinner. Honestly, this was one of the least attractive rooms we've been to into this series, because from now on things keeps getting better throughout the series. So make sure you hang on up to the series to see how awesome these rooms can get. And that was our first day of the travel. People, the morning hits differently, and I want to show you outside. Like, I've just discovered a really nice balcony. I wish I would have discovered it last night. Let me show it to you. This is the balcony that I had. I don't waste of resources. Too bad you had only one night here. So apart from that, the night was pretty sick. So let's head to the next trip. So this is our second room. So we are getting done with a second, travel day. It's been a long day of work and meeting people around the country. Actually, it's my first time traveling this long, and I feel like I love it, man. I feel like this is like something that I've been dreaming for a long time. And yeah, let me take you to dinner. I'm so sorry last night. I was pretty much hungry. I didn't take any shots of the dinner, so let me take you to this one. Yep, good morning, people. I've just started to realize that a room's beauty is made by how good the balcony is. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the greatest thing ever, and where we landed last night. So, come, let's go. Like, think of almost every single time looking out of your room and then seeing this one. This is the best life ever, man. Dang, I'm really tired. I just slept late yesterday. But let's head to breakfast. I'm rethinking of doing the shot I did tonight. So let's go. Let me re-enter the place. All these travels and all these trips made me understand that we don't need to look for treasures into other people's house. Sometimes it might be hidden into our own houses and we never took time to look for them. There's a part of myself where I've passed a lot of time thinking that probably being outside the country would be the actual best thing for myself. But today I've just realized that I never took time to even understand my own country. So look around you. The treasure you've been always looking for is not into those people you always walk with or hang out with. It has always been inside you. So dig it up and make use of it. So apparently we are in Yamagabe. We are trying to fix our car right now. We're just waiting to see our last person and then get out of here. Again, not in a bad way, but yeah, go back to Kigali, go back home. It's been 3 days of travel. I mean, everything has been pretty much well. Traveling the country, man. You guys need to travel your own countries. You guys need to, move around the country, man. Traveling is always the best thing. You take everything for granted and you think you know everything, but indeed, man, you don't know anything about your country, though. If you haven't traveled, I'm not saying this just because I'm traveling right now or just to make myself look proud or something. It's just that I've realized people told me this before, but I didn't understand what they meant. But I do understand, man. Like, I think also I feel like you also didn't know about these places, and you need to, stop watching them from the camera and take your camera and then go visit those places. Not for content always, but for something else like, I don't know, experience, something like that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because this was part 1 of my journey to travel my whole entire country. And let me catch you in the next one. Bye bye.